Tired of confusing paper forms? Let's unlock the power of interactive fillable documents created on Dochub and make form submission a breeze. Imagine sending out a document where your recipients can directly type in their answers, choose from preset options, or simply tick a box. That's the magic of Dochub's interactive fillable forms. When someone receives a Dochub document with fillable fields, the first thing they'll notice are these highlighted areas for text boxes. It's as simple as clicking into them. See, they can then type their information directly into the designated space. No more printing, scanning, or deciphering messy handwriting. Next up, we have drop-down menus. These are perfect for when you need recipients to select from a predefined list of options. Simply click the drop-down arrow, and a list of choices will appear. Just select the one that applies, and it's instantly recorded. And for those yes or no questions, or to indicate agreement, we have checkboxes. These offer a clear and quick way to mark selections. A single click is all it takes to mark a checkbox, making it incredibly intuitive for anyone completing the form. The beauty of this system is its simplicity for the recipient. They just navigate through the document, interacting with each field as needed. Once all the necessary information is entered, submitting the document is just as straightforward. With Dochub's integrated tools, this significantly enhances the user experience, making your dynamic documents a pleasure to interact with. So next time you need to collect information, leverage Dochub's interactive fillable documents for a seamless and efficient process for everyone involved.